think this entire activity was to learn what?
Coordination and communicating basically without using words.
Number one, 3 top learnings of the task of how to handle tasks. Actually, this entire exercise was about listening.
So there have been multiple pillars that we've gone through these 3 sessions, and I believe that not only me but everyone sitting in this room is proud of themselves, saying that we have reached a point where we at least do not have a stage fright or maybe talking to a group of people at this point of moment.
पटेला है पर्दा, लोअर सोल का है सीट, धारावी का पिक्चर, भेड़ू फिर भी है सुपर हिट, ये अपन का इलाका है, फुल बॉलीवुड धमाका है, एक फिल्म के टिकट में 100 फिल्म का मजा है.
And the aim of this is to stay young, joyous, and I felt that I was always confident in speaking because I'm not a very vivid reader. So I'm confident in speaking, but I think I got a direction thanks to you, a direction on how to work on myself and make it, like you said, that everyone is not a born speaker, but you can become one. And I really took that seriously. I think I'm going to work on it.
I recently joined Wizcraft, so I wasn't really sure if I can come here and speak, and task you gave us was also a bit personal, and when I talk about myself and how I represent myself, I had a sense of feeling that will I get judged?
Earlier, like I'm guessing this is the biggest group or biggest session that we have, and we just thought that being so many people, if we will get that concentrated attention or that personalized experience, but ma'am not only gave us some feedbacks but gave a valuable insight which actually helped us become the best version of ourselves.
After we leave this workshop, I really want you to have clarity on your image, because the only person who is in control of your image is you, of your response is you. So stop reacting and start responding. Take a moment, take a breath, and then respond.